wrong. So here we have a chair, and it's my chair. And every time...
Wait. Is your how many chair?
This would be chair number 4. Every time I have a chair, without fail, something goes wrong. And now the wee feet are stuck. And I can't get it.
You want one of these? It's a Timson 19th.
Not bad, eh?
That's a wee start.
Welcome back to another episode of Wild Camps. I don't need to, I'm shouting because I'm used to shouting with the camera, but we
Don't need to.
we do have microphones. Ryan has decided to bring them this time.
Yes.
Hopefully it makes a big difference. Let us know in the comments.
Hope so. You're over there, we're here.
And you can hear us.
Yes.
Technology.
It's
crazy.
fantastic
It's
when
crazy.
it works.
I can speak like this and you can still hear me.
Yes.
Maybe.
Fantastic.
So we've picked another camp. Nobody left us a comment about what the next camp would be, so we've decided to do what we like to do. We've gone hammock camping.
Yep.
We're in the Perthshire area, and we finally picked a day where it's absolutely,
Perfect weather.
I was going to say pissing down,
But it's
but it's perfect weather for us.
Yeah.
As you can see, we are being drenched right now. However, we're not, because Ryan has bought his 3x3. I've got that, which is holding on slightly. Just need to do this every couple of minutes. But no, we are happy. This is exactly what we want.
We've been waiting for this for months. Every time we go out, it seems to be...
Try and pick the worst days.
Yeah, it's
Doesn't
forecasted
happen.
rain, and then we go out and it's just grey or blazing sunshine.
Yeah, but
So-
no, this is perfect.
We wanted a challenge. We wanted to set up a good wee system with the tarps there.
Got our usual. I've got my trusty old chair. Ryan's got his 5th or 6th chair of the season. I'm not sure. We spent about 20 minutes. You might have seen that earlier trying to get that fixed. And it's just a stool.
Yeah.
We've got the trusty old lightweight table, so we can have our beveraginis.
Apple juice.
Sorry. And we've got space to cook and stuff like that. Ryan's got a good setup. I don't know if you want to show them.
Yeah, I'd love to.
I'll
Let's
take
bring
the
the ladies
camera.
and gentlemen into
I'll
the
take
living
the camera
room.
for
Thank
you. You do the work.
So we've got I'm a bit of a DD fanboy today. We've got the DD 3x3 tarp above us. This is a DD frontline hammock. One of the features I like is under the sort of main compartment, there's a little space there to put a mat in, so I don't have to carry a bulky underquilt, which is always nice. It also doubles up as a bivvy on the floor if you want that. Over here, we have put a wee drip line in, because what could happen in the rain, the line can get saturated with water that can then head down this way and your hammock gets wet, and therefore your head gets wet. That's no fun.
So the purpose of it being?
Ideally, it will sort of, the rain will run into this coil here, and majority of it will drip down there. Kind of what's happening over that way.
You'll see an example of it there. Most of the water will collect on the edge of the rope.
Saves you getting wet. I've replaced this hammock comes with poles, and it's supposed to fit in like that. What I've done is run a line across this inside, which raises the bug net off here, so it reduces the weight further. I've taken the carabiners off it as well, and just done sort of knot system there, so it can run like that. That's a good bit of kit. Very good for these Scottish summers where it's full of bugs. You've got your bug net with you. And over there we've got computers.
Okay,
it's
so
also a DD hammock.
We've got
So
the trusty old setup. So we've got a piece of tarpaulin, couple of bits of jute twine. Sorry, you just need to do that every now and again. We've got rope. I do have, what are we calling them, drip lines?
Drip lines.
Yes, we do. And we've got these bits of rope,
Hammock straps.
ham straps, ham straps,
Whatever you want.
whatever you want to call it. We've got the underquilt, we have the old piece of material, we've got the broken sleeping bag we've had for a long time, a bit of roll mat in there, and that's really it, guys. It's warm enough, it'll be fine. I've got a waterproof poncho which is not waterproof with my bag underneath. So yeah, join us today while we join us today. Yeah, do you want to take a seat, Ryan? Yeah.
I'd love to. While we struggle to survive.
Join us today. Well, we don't survive,
We thrive.
we thrive.
Oh dear.
Oh lordy.
Chin chin, old
Chin
pal.
chin.
Oh no. No, no.
Ow. Reload.
Oh! This!
No,
I hit it!
didn't take it
I
out.
hit it! Right, we're not messing about, guys. It's wet, horrible.
It's wet and wild.
We've got a clipper
Like
lighter
my woman.
and a fire lighter. And a lighter that doesn't work.
Please. One chance. We've only got one of them.
Yes. Let's record.
Hi everyone. You join us back here. Sorry, the microphones are up. It's so wet that the microphones are not getting picked up. Ryan's stressing himself a little bit.
Yeah, everything got wet.
He's getting smoke in his eyes. He's trying to get the microphones working. Nothing's working at all. But we're in a fantastic place. We've got a fire going. The rain has literally not stopped for the last 4 hours, which is phenomenal.
So we're going to be cooking a staple of the Scottish larder. And
Larder.
And I cannot wait to share that with you. The cuisine is outstanding.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're in for a surprise.
Don't hold your hopes. Nah, honestly, great camp so far, for me anyway. I know people find this brutal, but you can listen to the sound of that. It's just non-stop for the last 4 hours, been brilliant. Fire somehow is still going, we're keeping on top of it. We're about to have some fantastic food. We've had a couple of apple juices, we are chilling. Everything's good, yeah?
Very good. Apart from
Except for him
technology.
stressing, yes, technology.
You know what it is? See, because I said earlier, technology is fantastic when it works.
You made the cardinal sin.
Yep.
Don't say that.
Yeah.
Guys, we are currently munching on what some would call as Scottish cuisine, which is square sausage, lawn sausage, whatever you want to call it. We are struggling for light. We have no batteries. We are struggling for light, but we are surviving, and we are eating some of the best food in the world. A little bit charcoaled square sausage. Ryan has taken out the camp 3 times. Here he is. You won't be able to see him. Say something.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah. Square sausage.
Which is the delicacy of Scotland. And we've got our hammocks, and we are going to go to bed, I believe. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Excuse me. You got some B-roll on the go. Stop looking at my wee bum.